and
How I
subscribe.
talk. This is how I tell my story. This is my style of communication. This is
I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Hey guys, so this is actually, I'm giving you guys a sneak peek into my one-day course that I do offer. Follow me on Instagram, and if you are interested, comment down below. But yes, you guys, so I'm just going to show you guys a little bit of behind the scenes. I actually created the one-day course to be more cost-effective to people that are trying to get into the permanent makeup world. So I always think from like the client aspect, so yes.
Yeah, it's cute.
Okay, so she sells.
Yeah.
Now this one is the Tina Davies, and that is a U needle blade. Again, the U blades, which is what I'm talking about. This is the 18U nano blade, and then this is the U needle. Also guys, if you are interested in learning how to microblade or wanting to start your PMU career, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and comment down below or follow and send me a message on Instagram. My courses are available on my website if you'd like to actually learn more. The links will be down below. Verbatim, let's pretend you're my client. You sign your medical form and all that stuff. And now I give you this, like I'll say, okay, let's go over aftercare. So I'll be like, okay, on day one, you're gonna be like, wow, girl, oh my gosh, I love her brows. They look so cute. And then around day 2 to day 4, they are gonna darken up. Some people like that look and some people are like, oh my gosh, she did them too dark. Don't be alert, because around day 4 to day 7, they are going to start scabbing, but I do not want you to pick or itch at it, because if you do that, what you're going to do is you're actually going to rip out the microblading strokes I just put into your brow. Okay, and day 8 to day 10, your brows are going to lighten up. You're going to get probably sad at this point. You're going to get up and look in the mirror and feel like you paid for nothing. But it's just that the eyebrows go through this weird effect. I don't know what it is, because I got mine done, so I know exactly like how my clients feel.
Yeah.
Day 14 and day 28, the color is coming back. It's like it came back out of nowhere. It's like magic. And then that's when you know you'll need to be scheduling your touch-up or your perfecting session. And then after that, you're like going into the second time, just make sure that we actually need to, if we need to darken the color, we'll do that on the second session. If we need to add more strokes, we'll do that on the second session. If you pull something out, that can be fixed on the second session. It is important for the second session. If you turn the card around, after your appointment today, can be a young man's game. Stand up for the Hall of Shame. I wish. So remember this, I think is what. This page, remember, is center. So you just found this part, so now it's this is number 2, finding the head of the brow.
And that was how did you find that? Because I remember you measuring it from one side to the next.
Yeah.
But
So the head of the brow, typically, we could find it in 2 different ways. So we could do it from here, from the nose. So we go right there on the nose and find the head of the brow. Boom. Or we could do also, my one-day course is 6 hours long. We do cover everything, so you guys are seeing bits and pieces from my one-day course. They are straight. So now what you'll do is you'll take this and remeasure again, just to make sure. So boom. So without moving this, you should be able to put it here, and it should be at the same point, and it is. So now you're good to go. So this is your 1, and this is your 2, right? Okay. Now, finding 3, which is your what? So I want to tell you, do you remember?
1, 2, I want to say the arch.
Nope.
Oh, I had on.
The tail. I wish I knew. You guys are going in my YouTube videos. Say hi to my YouTube. Hi. So this is my student Elizabeth. You did the 2-day course, right?
Yes, I did.
Okay, she did the 2-day course, and then this is Raquel, and then this is Jasmine. They did the 1-day course. So yeah, I kind of have different courses for different folks, depending on like, you know, what you want. But these two girls came in because they're just practicing extra kind of, and I offer that to like all my students. I always send a text, hey, I got a course, if you guys want to step in, get some extra help, you guys can, because I'm nice. But yeah. All right, so this actually really, this I probably need to use A&D because that came off compared to like all the ones we did. That's what I said. Like I'm like, what?
So A&D,
I'm telling you, with all my other we never could get it off. Yeah, it was really bad. We were in there for like 30 minutes trying to scrub it off of there. It did not come off.
Hey, you got it good.
So is that the top part of the brow? Because personally, like you gotta think, like personally, if I was to do this, right, I'm gonna start, because remember I said you wanna go from point A to point B.
Okay.
So this is point A, and this is point B, and then this is point B, and then now I'm here, so now. So Jasmine, do you feel like you're ready to take your first client? Are you nervous?
I think so. I think I am just nervous.
I feel like start really like putting the dedication and effort into it, and I feel like that definitely makes a difference. Like even you guys showing up today. So for you guys showing up for yourself, that shows a lot, you know, for yourself, because it's like I'm not forcing you. I don't have to like, you know, keep checking on you and stuff, but I do that just because.
So I have all good news. My daughter, she's in the ICU right now. She's doing really good. So I said they might take her off the breathing machine tomorrow. I was like, God is good. Yes, girl. I was crying. I was like, I just don't know. Yeah, but
I hope your daughter feels better.
I said her on like the first. She should be okay.
Tough when your kids get sick. You always wish.
Like me instead.
Yeah. Always. We're all moms here. We definitely can relate. Just like.
Am I holding it, finishing it right?
Yeah, just come up a little bit. If you're having an issue with the mannequin, so let me show you again. So, like if I'm doing this side, this angle on the V, essentially I'm doing, like I'm taking my nail and I'm coming into it. And then push your nail, your thumb into that line. There you go. And now do that.
And then
Now pull it up. Lift up the string. Yeah, so you got it.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is.
ignore that line. So how does it?
Can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew.
Kind of making this point, because I think what happened here is this is the line that I created through the B, and then this one you went way over here, so you have to watch that. Which what
That's what I was trying to do, trying to make sure I reach this.
So this sticky ruler is really important because you're mimicking what's on one side on the other side. So for example, you put your lines here to start off the brow. So, but then you start the brow way over here. So you initially be starting the brow here, and then what you here on this side is where I put the B. So right here, you're way over on the 6. So these are numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you initially would actually be, if you're basing off of the arch that I gave it, it would be right here by a B.
Right.
So essentially, you'd actually be coming up to about right here. And then your C, which is B right here by the tail, would be in there. But you gotta pay
distracted from that line.
Yeah, so this is just the center of the line.
Right.
But then remember, you did the start of the line, which is right here. And then this is your arch of your line, which is here. And this is the tail of how far you're going to come in with the toe. So now it's about staying into those. That technique, I got a lot of different results.
Because this way,
It's easier to scar the skin because you're going in like this, then you're going in like this and curving it. So that's using this arch and this arch here, and that could be a little bit better.
I wish I knew.
This is where I would start the brow. This is where you should have started this brow, and then you're off on the arches too. So you need to go over here and look for 7.5. So it should be like right here. Does that make sense? Okay. So like these get ruined so fast.
I almost got a new one. And I was like, oh.
I don't want to cheat.
Yeah.
It's gonna end up the same.
And we have basically it's like the stepping stones to creating a brow. So we have our center, then we like this, and then they'll have this part. The reason why they have that line, because I tell them that's where their transition starts to happen into the brow. Because the first pass is kind of creating our skeleton into the brow. The second, but right now I'm showing you a beginner pattern because it's really simple and easy to remember. And like create your own pattern, start doing your own brows, start creating your own type of style of art that you do into a client's brows, and that's totally fine. Alright guys, that is it, and thank you for watching, and make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And as my saying goes, love yourself, believe in yourself, dedicate yourself, and send it to the universe. Bye!
I wish I knew.